So I'm back in the woods. All these past days it has been raining every day. I'm luckily now it's dry. Ooh. Birds. And my plan for today is to bake a cake. First thing I will do is set up a tarp, so that in case it starts raining again, then I have protection. Let's see. Yeah, I want to put a pole here to lift it up. Pole. Oh, it's starting to drizzle. I got a really big piece. But some big pieces, small pieces, all different size. Made some fire starters here. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Wow. I put some tin foil, and it will be easier to keep the fire. Won't be touching the cold surface, the wet surface, so but it's going, so I'm gonna keep feeding and yeah, keep building the fire. Gonna burn. Okay. I almost burned my shelter down. So we got the cake ready to go on the fire. So I'm just going for a little walk. The cake is baking or cooking. I don't know what I should say. And the men are fishing there. So let's see if they are there for the finished product. So I'm just gonna walk and see if I can find the Hachiko. I haven't seen Hachiko. Hello! You don't remember me? You don't remember me? You remember? Hello! Oh. Okay. Hello, Hachiko. Oh, my hat. You remember me? You wanna go for a walk? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Chup, chup, chup. Chup, chup. Somebody. Oh. Hachiko just went back with the owner. She came with a motorbike. And he just went. He just went and left me. Oh no. Guys, subscribe. My shoes is coming off. My shoes are coming off. Like, it's not looking good. The shoe is open. Yeah. Just a quick fix. Not too bad. Oh my god. It's slightly burned from the side. It's burned up. Okay. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, let's cut it. Okay. Wow. Looks good. Hot, hot, hot.